It's Brandon Kickstart PPC, and today I'm going to be going into conversion rate analysis, and not just any old conversion rate analysis, but looking at what price point your conversion rate should be, and at that conversion rate, how many clicks you should wait for before taking action on the search term. So let's jump into the video. So today we're going to be going over a number of points. So first things first, we're going to be going over how many clicks you should get per keyword based on the conversion rate before adding as a negative target or pausing it. Next, we're going to go over the average conversion rate per price point and how to diagnose listing issues based on the conversion rate. So pretty important stuff for you to know about when running your Amazon business. And we have a lot of data here. So as you can see, quite useful stuff. And we've been able to get this from working with a variety of different niches, different businesses. And we started to see with listings that were in a very good standing and good established listings that these are similar results that what we can expect. So first things first, conversion rate is obviously one of the most important metrics. So you want to be looking at this, and it can change based on the quality of the product, the price point. Quality of the product will determine the reviews, and a lower price will typically mean a higher conversion rate. Low rating will be a low conversion rate. So those are things to take into account. As you can see, as the price goes higher, the conversion rate goes lower. But obviously, as you've got more margin, the lower conversion rate's fine because you're taking more profit in that sale. Some of these lower price products, you're going to have lower margins. So a higher conversion rate is necessary to be able to sustain the product and the brand itself. So to go to the next page, move this out of the way. So we have all the price points, predicted conversion rate, and how many clicks before taking action. Because you don't want to go negative something too early. So you don't want to have something with a low conversion rate and negative or pause after 10 clicks. So you want to be looking at this and going across the board. Now, it's important to note, this is averages based on what we've seen. So just because your price point is 100% and you've got a good listing, your conversion rate isn't always going to be around the 4% mark. You could have a better conversion rate or it could be less. I mean, there's just so many factors influencing listings these days. Could even be the keywords that you're targeting, the keywords that you're indexing for on Amazon. So this is for when you're targeting the right keywords, your listing is well optimized, and you're in a good position overall. And even then, you might have a different result to this. So don't take it as solid fact, but just take it as something to benchmark for. And it'll help you with launches and make things a bit easier for you. So now, how to diagnose listing issues using conversion rate. So first things first, monitor weekly averages as well as daily conversion rate trends. So you can look at this and you can see what's my conversion rate for the week. What are the conversion rates on particular days? Are you seeing a drop off on the weekends, certain weekdays? Find out all that information, see if there's anything that helps you figure out whether you should be running PPC at certain times of the day using a day parting rule. You need to see what days are doing better for your brand there. Also, check the conversion rate when making changes to the gallery images or the listing copy. That's a given. Just monitor that, make a note of the day that you make the changes and see, is the conversion rate improving? Is it getting worse? Maybe if it's getting worse, you want to revert the title back to what it was. If it's getting better, you want to do more of what you were doing before. Maybe that's working. That's making your product look more relevant on Amazon. Those are all things that you need to do. So it's worth split testing what works and what doesn't. Same goes with the A+ content. So getting a premium A+ content, seeing if that has any impact on your listing, getting that video at the top, and getting that A+ content to meet the whole width of the page rather than just the small that it was before. You also want to check over PPC versus standard conversion rate because that can give you an idea whether you're targeting the right keywords. Your standard conversion rate is going to be for everything that you're indexed for, your organic, as well as the PPC. So you can see whether you're actually targeting the right keywords and how relevant they are. So keep an eye on that metric. You can see that all in Scale Insights. So we recommend you use Scale Insights. It's the software we use for all our clients. It gives you a very good idea on the day parting trend, gives you an idea on conversion rate on a day-to-day basis. So you can really own your numbers, figure out what's going on, and we find that really useful for working with our clients. So we have a promotion below for anyone who's not with Scale Insights already. It's a 10% off lifetime discount with a 30-day free trial. If you sign up using that link, you don't need to put a credit card in, and that's automatically applied. So if you're interested in more content like this and you want to learn more about Amazon PPC, Amazon FBA, definitely subscribe to the channel. Love to see more of you and hear more from you in the comments. So any pain points that you have, things that you want us to talk about, leave a comment below and I'll definitely look at making a video on that. So until the next video, hope you guys have a good day and we'll see you soon. Bye.